All right, we are back out here with the G. We got some new updates to share with you as we're working along this project. Let's check these things out. So pulled the seats out. We're going to get these reupholstered by the same one that did the Kazi. Got some tears and some things to fix. We're going to leave them in the same military green vinyl that they are. And finally, our new tires showed up. These are the Crosswind Mud Terrains, 235/85/16. Super narrow, but these things have some really, really good meat onto them. And they were only $140 a tire from Walmart. We also hit up the paint store today and we got some paint because we're going to do the canvas top in black, and we were laying down some primer to do a matte green, try to match one of the metal panels here. So we started taping off some of the G. Starting to do the canvas top, so we got some stuff taped off here, did a test patch right here. Should look really good. So we're going to tape off more of it. We're going to spray the outside, then we're going to take this whole thing off, take it outside, and do the underside of it. So it's a little bit of process, but it should look good once finished. And we also got our new radio that just came in, so this thing's going to be pretty cool. Period correct. Got the buttons. Looks very, very right for the G. And we'll be doing some speakers with it as well. So this will get installed at some point later. Well, we got some light grills and corner marker grills that came in. These are kind of finishing touches. We'll open these things up later. So we'll add that to the shelf of goodies right over here. We're going to get back to the taping off and everything so we can finish doing the canvas top.
Camo, not camo. Let's see how this paint turns out. We use the Max-Flex Exterior Fabric paint. Got this at Home Depot, so should work pretty well. Let's give it a little bit to dry and see how it turns out. All right, we have finished doing the black top here. Got everything painted, multiple coats, so it's turned out pretty good. Taping everything off took a little bit of time, but at the end of the day, this thing will look much nicer. The black soaked in well. The top kind of looks a little ghost camo-y from I guess the sun beating down on it, where the sides you don't see any of the camo, so that's good. But overall, it looks really, really nice. We got the top off of the G, finished painting it and detailing every single bit of it. So now it's time to work on the body so we can get all of the sections kind of primed in and whatnot. So cover's over there. I got to sit on top of the table. So yeah, this is what it looks like without the cover, and it's kind of cool. So now it's time to get back on doing some more prep work and prime on the body. Pretty much it's ready now for almost to do the prime before we do the actual color coat. Like I said, we're going to do a matte green, so the whole thing's green, keep it the interior. But we've done some additional trim. Let's check that out. You can see we took the roof off and we started painting the roof bars here black, so that'll be a nice touch. And then we did the trim that goes around where the actual vinyl top connects to, is we did that in a wrinkled textured black. So making some progress here. We should have the thing underway with doing priming here in the next day or so, and we'll really see the transformation come to life. We got the prime all done on one side, well, pretty much everything. So I got to do the hood and a little bit more of the other side here, coming along nicely. And then we can finally figure out our color match to do this all matte green. Progress is happening. All right, doing some prep and prime here. So got the grill out, getting this thing all primed up so we can paint it here soon. Did the bumpers a little bit ago. So that's the two rear bumpers. So we're just knocking out some of the pieces. There's the front bumper, and then we get to paint them. So just keep cruising along here and hopefully get some of this stuff done soon. And the painting never stops. We got the door panels done. We did this in a wrinkled black finish. So that's drying. Here's the other one. And then we got the covers. One's for the box underneath the hood, and we got for the rear seats, got covers on those too. So those are all painted. Got the shovel done, a little green on the handle, black center, green spade. This thing came out awesome. So super pumped on this. So go really nice underneath the hood, give a little flavor to that diesel engine. All right, all the prep and prime work is done, and we've got some of the interior pieces and accessory parts all finished up. So now it's time to paint the body. So make sure you guys stay tuned to our next video where we dive in to actually start doing all of the paint work to the Mercedes G250. And of course, we got more coming up with the seats and the accessories installs, the tires, the radios, and more. So make sure you like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and stay tuned for the next video.